Hello guys, welcome back and hope you all are doing good. If you are facing this kind of boot error diagnosing your PC, in this video I will share 6 to 7 methods you can apply to fix this issue completely. So after waiting for a few minutes, you will get this kind of error, automatic repair. Your PC did not start correctly, or in your system you will get a different error like startup repair could not repair your PC. So if you get any kind of blue screen error, you have to just click on this option, advanced option. So this will open the advanced mode. Now after that, click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced option, and these are the few methods you can apply to fix your PC. So first, click on this option, uninstall updates. So there are two updates available you can uninstall. First is latest quality updates and second is latest feature update. So you have to uninstall both the updates one by one. Just click on the first one. After that, select your login username, enter your password, and you will get this option, uninstall quality updates. Just click on it. So this will uninstall the quality updates. After uninstalling this quality updates, you have to uninstall the second feature updates. Go to troubleshoot, go to advanced option, go to uninstall updates, and then select the second option, uninstall latest feature updates. So you have to uninstall both the updates one by one, and after that just click on continue, and this will fix the error. Now move on to the next method you can apply to fix this. So click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option, and here you will get this option, system restore. So this will help you to restore your PC to the back date. So click on this system restore option, click on next, and tick this option as well, show more restore points. So these all the restore points I have in my system. So you have to select the latest restore point you have in your system. Select the latest one. Okay. After that, click on next. So this will restore your PC to the back date, and in the most cases this will fix the blue screen error. Click on next. Click on finish. Then click on yes. So this will apply the restore point. Okay, and this will fix the error, your blue screen error. This will take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete, depends on the size of the restore file. Now move on to the next method if you are still getting the same issue. So if you don't have any restore point, in that case move on to the next method. Click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option, then click on command prompt. Now you have to type a few commands to repair your Windows corrupted files. So first select your login username, then enter your system password, your login username password, and you will get this kind of window. This is command prompt. Now you have to type few commands to repair your Windows corrupted files. So the first command will be sfc /scan now. Type this command and press enter. So you can see the process has been started, and this will take around 3 to 5 minutes to complete. Verification process completed. Now type the next command, chk dsk /f/r c:. So this command will help you if you have any error on your hard drive. This command will repair that error. Press enter, and this process will take around 15 to 20 minutes, depends on the size of your hard drive. So the process has been completed. Now type exit, then press enter, and after that click on continue, and this will fix your issue. Now move on to the next method if you are still getting the same error, same problem. Click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option. Now here you will get this method, startup repair. So this option, this method will help you to repair all the startup files which are corrupted. So click on this option, startup repair, and this process will take 10 to 15 minutes to apply. Now you can see the issue has been resolved. But if you are getting the same error again, or you are getting error like startup repair could not repair your PC like this, move on to the next method you can apply to fix this. Now in this method we are going to repair some Windows boot files manually. So click on troubleshoot, click on advanced option. After that click on command prompt, select your login username, enter your password, and now you have to type a few commands to repair Windows boot files manually. So the first command will be boot rec space /fix mbr. Type this command, then press enter. Now type the next command. Type this command carefully, then press enter. Now type the next command. Press enter. Now type the final command. Type this command carefully, then press enter. Now after that type exit, press enter. That's it. After that click on continue, and these commands will help you to repair all the boot files. So press continue and this will fix the error. Now move on to the next method, the final method you can try to fix this error completely. So in the final method we are going to reset our PC, but in this method all your data you have in your system will remain safe. So click on troubleshoot, and here you will get this option, reset this PC. Click on it. There are two options, keep my files or remove everything. So select the first option, keep my files. This option will remove your apps but keeps your personal files. So this will save all your data in your system. Okay, but if you select the second option, this will remove all your personal files and application and setting as well. So go for the first one. Then click on local reinstall. Now wait for a few minutes. Now you will get these information that your system will go back to the default mode. Windows will be reinstalled. Keep personal files, so your data will remain safe. So in this process all your data you have in your system or in your other partition, all the files, all the document files will remain safe. There will be no data loss in this process, but the only drawback is that remove all apps and programs that did not comes with this PC. So your applications or your software will remove, but your data will remain safe in this process. And this is the final method you can try to fix this issue completely. Just click on reset, and this process will take around 30 minutes to complete, and this will reset your PC completely, but this will save your data. There will be no data loss in this process. So these are the methods you can apply to fix this issue completely. This is all for the video. Thank you.